This is a very dirty microwave. I'm going to show you how to clean it. Soak a wet cloth, toss it in the microwave, and turn it on for like 20-30 seconds, whatever. And then you will see that you've steamed up everything, and okay, the cloth is still really hot. I would suggest letting it cool down. But you can see the stuff that was baked on in here is now loosened because of the steam. So it's a lot easier to wipe out. This can be taken out. Look at this door. Now that's been steamed, it is so easy to wipe. And I can't remember the last time this microwave was cleaned. And look how easy this is coming out.